Good afternoon, welcome back to ExpatCrib. My name is Ian, and today I have another special apartment to show you. This one is in Castropol. It's a 3-bedroom apartment with 150 square meters. Let's go take a look. All right, here we go. So, ample space. As you can see, as I said, it's 150 square meters. Open plan kitchen, really nice kitchen. Has a 5-burner gas range, and again it's got your hood fan here. By the way, really beautiful views of the city here, both to the south and to the north. Actually, I think you have eastern views here too, so really beautiful views. Again, nice sized kitchen. Everything is included. I believe this was set up as an Airbnb apartment. It's 3 bedrooms. Really big TV. That's got to be at least a 75-inch TV. There's TVs in all the bedrooms. Okay, well, head right to the principal bedroom. And again, aircon in all the rooms here. Let's take a look at the views here again. Again, this is in Castropol, so really close to Premium Plaza and Mall San Diego, not far from the metro. And again, beautiful views of Las Palmas. And I think they have the same size 75-inch TV in here. I'm guessing that's 75. It could even be more, but it's pretty big. So, and really nice size walk-in closet, as you can see. And a nice sized principal bedroom bathroom. The rain shower. You can actually sit down here if you've had a long walk, like many of my videos, my neighborhood videos. I do very long walks, as you may well know. Here is the 2nd bedroom. Again, really nice size TV. Okay, and as I said, in each of the bedrooms you have air conditioning, and each bedroom also has an ensuite washroom with a rain shower just around the corner here. In each bedroom. Let's go take a look at the 3rd bedroom. This one only has a smaller TV. I guess that's because of the layout of the bedroom here. It's got a closet right here and another small closet right here. Again, you've got your ensuite washroom, same shower layout. But I think the feature of this building is a couple things. Again, it's ready to rent. I believe, like I said, they had it on Airbnb, but it's got a nice sized patio. It's got a full barbecue right here, as you can see. And A nice patio. Again, with really beautiful views of the city. And on the other side of the building here, I'll show you, they have a pool down below. Again, this is very high. We're in the 20s as far as floors go. So you can see the building down there, someone enjoying their time in the pool. Again, a really nice kitchen. Everything is included. If you have any questions, I'm really good at getting back to you. So we will have this listed, and we'll give you all the information at the end screen. Again, if you have any questions or comments, I'm always good about answering everything in the comment section. So this is Ian from ExpatCrib. Hope you've enjoyed this 3-bedroom, 150 square meter apartment tour here in Castropol. We'll see you in the next one.